We are arriving at Terminal 4. Stop. Look around and please take all your...
It's good, everybody. Hope you guys can hear me all right. Currently at the airport right now at JFK in New York. Pretty much getting ready for my flight in about an hour or so. And yeah, man, it has been a pretty tiring day. I've just been at the airport non-stop. Came from New Orleans to JFK. Got here around, I want to say 4-ish p.m. It's now, not sure if y'all can see, but it's now about 9, and then I take off at roughly 10:30 to 11, if I'm not mistaken, and I got a layover. I have a layover in. They're yelling over the speaker right now. I'm wait until they. Yeah, I pretty much have a. I pretty much have Mrs. Samba Subaya, Miss Sikiwa, Mr. Henry Grant. If you hear your name, please proceed. Yo, what's good, everybody? How's everybody feeling today? Just officially made it to Thailand and passed immigration. Got my Thai digital visa, my passport, everything is good to go. And it's currently about 7 a.m., 7 in the morning right now, and I can't actually check into my Airbnb until roughly 3 p.m. So in the meantime, we're gonna try to head down to the Siam Paragon area, maybe do some shopping, probably get a coffee or something, and take it from there, and then probably head back to the B&B later, and probably crash, take a nice little sleep, and then try to make some plans for tonight. But I hope you guys are well, and just wanted to check back in now that I've finally officially made it safely secured into the city. Man, I'm tired, y'all. I just had a 13-hour flight, or no, I just had a 7-hour flight, and then right before that I had a 13-hour flight, and my first flight was 4 hours. So I literally left New Orleans on May 19th. It is now May 21st in the morning, and part of that is due to the time change, and so it wasn't actually like a full 48 hours or anything like that, but you know, the time change kind of switches things up a little bit. But yeah, just trying to figure out my Grab situation right now, or see if I'm gonna get a taxi or whatnot. But from there, we're gonna go head into the city and try and see what's up with it. Catch y'all in a little bit. Currently in my
still have service and my phone line is still supposed to be working, but I can't receive codes, the automated codes that get sent to the phone. If anybody knows a solution for that, please let me know. That would be very helpful. But yeah, it's about 8 a.m. right now. I think everything is probably closed, but like I said earlier, my Airbnb does not let me check in until 3 p.m. So we're gonna try to just see what we can do. See if we can chill around some spots, maybe get some coffee, grab some food, and currently at this looks like a little shopping center and a gas station. My boat driver said he has to go use the bathroom real quick, so hopefully I'm not getting charged while he's using the bathroom for this time. But man, Thai people are extremely friendly. Here he comes walking back.
เดินทางต่อไปบนถนนจตุรทิศอีก 1.5 กิโลเมตร